BatchStream is a production management system built specifically for toll, co-pack, and private or white label manufacturers. Most ERP systems assume the manufacturer owns the raw materials, the work in progress, and the finished goods. In toll manufacturing, that assumption is wrong, and it creates specific challenges at every stage of your operation. Those challenges start at receiving. Client-owned raw materials arrive at the dock and must get receipted, labelled, and stored under the correct client. From that point on, you are accountable for inventory that sits on someone else's balance sheet. You don't sell product, you sell production capacity and accountability. That makes accurate material tracking a basic operational requirement, not an optional extra. BatchStream handles that tracking. Raw materials are receipted against the client who owns them, barcoded, and linked to every production job they go into. Yield is calculated, finished goods are held under the correct client and lot. Every dispatch is connected to the batch it came from. At any point you can answer, who owns this material? When did it arrive? Which batch consumed it? Where is it now? And how much remains? BatchStream separates physical material flow from commercial charging logic, so fee-for-service production can be invoiced and tracked correctly without forcing your operation into a generic ERP structure that does not reflect how toll manufacturing actually works. The system has already been built and proven in live production in an environment where traceability, client-owned inputs, and commercial accountability are not optional. If there's a requirement BatchStream doesn't currently cover, we'll build it in. The software should reflect your operation, not the other way around. If you're running your operation through spreadsheets or a system that wasn't built for toll manufacturing, we should talk. Book a demo and we'll show you what BatchStream does. 20 minutes and you'll be able to see just how much of a difference BatchStream's simplified workflow, accurate data records, and convenient reporting will make to your business.